So we're back again with another video, and I just had to do this video before I go to bed because it's already past my bedtime. I usually go to sleep at 9, but today it's Friday, so we're gonna give that a break. So we're making this video on the router.js, and it's gonna be really quick because we just have to add this little search thing onto here so we can get that search icon into our drawer. So let's go ahead and import search from what we added, which is containers search.js. Remember, we did this inception thing of searches. So let me zoom in here. So if you look over here, we got search.js. I don't know why I did things that way, but I did it that way. So the next thing I want to do is let's make sure you have this header mode none, because in my commits, my references, I added that there, but it's already there for us, so we don't need to do anything. So the next thing I want you to do is we have this class search extends. We need to get rid of that, but instead of backspacing and deleting that, let's just make another one down here first. And we're going to do const search container equals create stack navigator like what we have above, and we are going to write the function. So we are going to do, man, what's with this spacing? We're going to do search. The screen will be search, and remember this search is from the import. And then we will be doing pretty much the same as we have here. So let's just copy and paste this over, because whenever I type things, I usually make mistakes. So drawer icon and the drawer label, let's move that over as well to make the spacing proper. And I think that's it. Well, no, not really. We gotta change what's inside. So let's change this into iOS search. That will give us this magnifying glass icon, which obviously is the international symbol for search. And the size will be 32. Let's keep the color the same, and our drawer label is going to be search. So that's pretty much it for this search container. Let's go ahead and delete this class search because we don't need that anymore. And the next thing we want to do, can you guess what we're gonna do? Well, if you guess we gotta add this down here to MyDrawerNavigator, then you guessed right. So what we have to do is we're gonna do a comma, and we're going to do search, and then we're going to do screen being search container, which is what we just defined. So that's pretty much it. If you run this on Expo on your simulator, then you should be able to open the drawer up, and you should now be able to see three things. One was our login, another one is our profile, and the third one is what we just added, the search container. So with that said, you know what I'm gonna say, join that mailing list, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. And there's one last thing, you know, it's been that many videos, so feel free to connect with me on any other social platforms. I'm on Medium, Twitter. You're probably watching this on Instagram. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Facebook too. Yeah, join that Facebook group. I don't know, I haven't been promoting that as much, but we have a Facebook group, and it's a pretty tight-knit group right now, so get in quick. And I'm probably going to be sharing all the assets there as well. So that's pretty much it. Have a good night. Have a good Friday. Don't party too hard. I'm going to bed, so I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.